Hello and welcome. This is the first video of the beginner course for n8n. In this course, we'll cover all the basics you need to get started with n8n. In this video, we'll talk about automation, what it is, why it matters, and how it works. My name is Yasir. I'm a marketing and data automation trainer. Why do we need automation? We need automation to make data-driven decisions. When we make decisions based on feelings or guesses, the results are often unclear and hard to measure. This can waste both time and money. But let's look at a simple example. Someone fills out a form on your website. The system checks what kind of company they are. If no company is found, it stops. If it's a low-value company, the person gets added to an email list. If it's a high-value company, their details go to a Google Sheet. If it's an ideal customer, the system notifies your account manager on Slack. All these actions happen automatically, no manual work needed. That's automation. There are three core concepts of automation. First is triggers, second is filters, third is apps/actions. Let's look at some key terms you'll need to understand. 1. Trigger A. Trigger starts the automation. In our example, the form submission was the trigger. Triggers can be manual, you start it yourself; scheduled, runs every day, week, or month; app-based, starts when something happens in another app, like a webhook, CRM update, or form submission. 2. Filters. The filters decide which data continues through the workflow. For example, you can filter based on company type, no company, low value, high value, or ideal customer, and send each one down a different path. 3. Actions, apps. Actions are what your automation does in other apps. Examples: Google Sheets add or update a row, Dropbox upload or move a file, Slack send a message, Salesforce create or update a contact or lead. Each app offers different actions you can use.
This was the first video in the n8n beginner course. You learned why automation is important, what it is, and how it works. Key concepts like triggers, filters, and actions. In the next video, we'll talk about the best practices for planning your workflows. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.